This is Cheryl Geisler for Coding Streams of Language. Today we're looking at MaxQDA Procedure 8.7, marking the aggregate borders in Excel. Here we'll be working with MaxQDA code line data that has been exported to Excel with highlighting to mark the borders of aggregates. Now I want to mark the beginnings of these aggregates with zeros. I begin by inserting a new column to the left of the original segmenting unit. In this aggregate column, next to the first data point for the first aggregate, I type a 0. On the next line down, next to the second data point, I type a formula that will check if the segment is the start of a new aggregate. I type equals, if, open paren, the word or followed by an open paren. I click in the next cell in the first highlighted column. I type an is greater than sign. I click in the next cell up in the first highlighted column. I type a comma. I click in the cell in the second highlighted column. I type an is greater than sign. And I click in the next cell up in the second highlighted column. I finish this formula with a close paren, a comma, a 0, a comma, and 2 quotation marks, followed by a close paren. I hit return. Now the cell holding the formula will yield a 0 if it holds the first segment of an aggregate. Otherwise, it will be blank. I drag this formula down the rest of the column. To learn more, visit the WAC Clearinghouse at the link on your screen to download Coding Streams of Language for free.